Hi everybody, welcome back. I've got the final version of the Revell Ford Ranger pickup truck done here. Just done box stock basically and in the box art colors because the side stripe here only comes in the black. But I got the decals all on here and I had a little bit of trouble here with these. I had an accident with the decals as I was moving the tray of warm water. Some of it spilled onto the edge of the decal sheet and I think that removed some of the glue off of a corner of them, and I had a little trouble putting these ones on. I got a little wrinkle here on this one. It may not show up on the camera there, but there's a bit of a wrinkle on the back fenders there, and that may be my fault, I'm not sure. However, it's a pretty basic kit. There's not much to it, not much detail inside. I painted it with the deep red craft paint, makes it pop a little better. And I had to trim the dash on the interior tub. When you glue the dash to the interior tub, I had to shave quite a bit off of each corner to get it to fit up inside under the window, the windshield, in between the two A-pillars here. And then it all lined up well. It was a little too long on one end, so I just shaved those off, and eventually everything popped into place. I've got the cover on here just painted black, and I just took my chrome marker and went around the snaps on it there. That just lifts off. I painted the box just with craft paint, the brown. The metal rails and the bolts are decals. I decided to use those. They're a little cartoon looking maybe, but they came with the kit, and I said, what else am I going to do with them? So I used those, and it'll probably have the cover on it anyways. Little decal in the window of the flag, and the tailgate works up and down, and that'll snap into place there. So it's not too bad. I've got my Minion license plates on there. A little finagling. The instructions are very vague on where the glue points are. Gluing the cab and the bed of the truck together. Just kind of have to do a lot of test fitting and see where things match up and where they line up and so on. But eventually I figured it out and got it together. There's chrome. There's 4 Ford letters here and as a decal. But I just took my chrome Molotov chrome marker and touched it on those just to do that. I thought it'd be a little easier than using the decals. Underneath, there's not too much there. I painted the bottom of the box with the wood grain, and the bottom of the interior tub just flat black. But it doesn't really cover up all the inside. You can see right up inside the door panels there. But there's not a lot of detail here. Just the chassis. Basic chassis that went together by itself. I didn't do any weathering or dusting. I just let it go at that and put it on the shelf. So not too bad. It's not one of my better kits. I didn't really have any interest, personal interest in this one. It was just a kit I got a good deal on and put it together and painted it, and it came out nice. The hood will open a little bit. Well, it rolls. I have to be careful with it. And I'm on camera. Oh, it's going to go. I'm just on camera here, and the hood will open partly, but I'll take some pictures of it with it off at the end of the video here, just to show you what that looks like opened. So there it is. Another one in the books. I still have a couple of weeks before the end of the year. I may try to get another kit done and see how that goes. So it came out not too bad. Looks like the box art. It's, like I said, it's pretty basic, not a lot of details, but it does look good. And there goes my backdrop. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.